Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To get started, you'll need a few essential tools: a screwdriver, a pair of scissors, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure to have your replacement cable and filter on hand as well. First, unplug your Dyson HD01 from the electrical outlet to ensure safety during the repair. Begin by removing the screws that secure the outer casing of the vacuum. These screws are typically located near the handle and at the base. Use your screwdriver to carefully take them out and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing to access the internal components. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging any clips or connections. You should now see the wiring for the power cable and the filter compartment. Next, let's address the power cable. Locate the area where the cable is connected to the vacuum. You'll need to cut the old cable close to the connection point. If you're unsure about how to proceed, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once you've removed the old cable, take your new cable and strip the ends to expose the wires. Now, attach the new cable by connecting the corresponding wires together. Make sure to secure these connections with electrical tape to prevent any exposure. If you don't have the tools or prefer expert assistance, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum repaired without any hassle. After securing the cable, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually near the motor. Remove the old filter and dispose of it properly. Before inserting the new filter, take a moment to clean the compartment with a soft cloth. This will help maintain optimal performance and longevity. If you need a quote before repair, feel free to reach out to us for an estimate. Now, insert the new filter into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Once everything is in place, carefully reassemble the outer casing by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Double-check to make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any loose parts during operation. Finally, plug your Dyson HD01 back into the outlet and turn it on to test if the new cable and filter are functioning as expected. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. With our services, there are no calls, no travel, and we make it easy for you to maintain your vacuum in top condition. Congratulations on completing the replacement of your Dyson HD01 vacuum cable and filter. You've taken an important step towards keeping your vacuum running efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.